Hi everyone, it's Lisa from Lisa P Crafts, and it's time for another planner flip through. So we are doing April, May, and June, and I'm not going to go through all the stickers that I used in these spreads. If you want to know what I used, you can check out the video. Each one of these spreads has its own video, and I show you all the sticker books and stickers and even the products and techniques that I use. So what I'm going to do is just go through them and kind of tell you how I felt and how I feel and what I liked and what I didn't like and that kind of thing. So if you watch January, March, this is where we ended off. This was my spread that was dedicated to my best friend who I lost to cancer. And it has all these little reminders like our cats, her riding bike, our tea times, girls' nights and stuff like that. And this is a very therapeutic thing to do if you're missing someone. I did one for my dad for Father's Day, and it was really hard, but I felt so much better after I had done it. Okay, so let's get started with April currently page. So this currently page, I always match my currently pages with the monthly divider. So this one is a gratitude page for Evie. Evie is a very kind lady that I met through YouTube, and she sent me some Happy Planner sticker books that she was no longer using because she switched to a Hobonichi. I think that's how you say it. So this is to show my appreciation for her kindness, show my gratitude that I was blown away that this stranger that I have never met sent me books, knowing that I love to create spreads and that I would use them. Yeah, I was blown away. Thank you so much again, Evie. Okay, April monthly. This one I think is just adorable. I used Planny Thing stickers. That's where all these little guys came from. They're so cute. Tied it in with spring colors, and used a Happy Planner book for these guys. I wanted spring, but something farmhouse and different. So that's what I came up with. Oh, Easter. I usually go really corny with Easter, and I didn't want to be so corny this year. So these are actually like die cut stickers that I had gotten from Target. And yeah, I wanted bright colors, and I love how this one turned out. Oh, another spring one. I saw these stickers here, and of course I fell in love because of the bluey greens. And even the leaves are almost like a bluey gray, greeny gray. It's all me, totally me. So I had mixed some stickers up in this one also. Oh, I just love that one. Yes, it was springtime, of course, right? And I would always want to be doing flowers. So I wanted to do something different, but still have kind of that light pink kind of spring feeling. So yeah, I pulled out, I think this one I think was Kelva Plan. I can't remember. You'd have to check the Plan With Me video for sure. I know this was a big Mombi sticker or Happy Planner sticker. Oh, April showers bring me flowers. This is stickers that I created on Canva. So Canva is kind of like an editing program. So they have images, so you can mix and match images. So the puddle was one, The boots was another one, the umbrella, and then the flowers. And then I just put them all together and yeah, basically made my planner pages on the computer and then printed them out and transferred them onto here. It's pretty fun. So this is my April Showers Bring Me Flowers spread. Okay, so May, black with gold dots. Not a lot I can do with that monthly divider. So I found Belle. So I went into a Disney princess book and found Belle and added in gold and black flowers from, I think it was a Happy Planner book. I can't remember now, but it turned out perfect. They match perfectly. So you could, I don't know how well you can see, but yeah, there is gold foil in there to match the gold foil here. All right, the next one is May monthly, and I had received the Planny Thing, I think it's called Florals and Crystals or Crystals and Florals sticker book from the wonderful lady Evie. Hi Evie. And this is what I decided to do with it, and I love it. That book is made for Lisa. The colors, the blues and the greens and grays, and yeah, love it. Actually, I should pull it out again and do a spread with it. Okay, so yeah, this flower across the middle is blocking off my trip to Niagara Falls and Toronto. So that's how I blocked off my trip. And yeah, I love this one. I love the colors. Oh, this one. So when I originally did this one, I was looking for bird stickers and I couldn't find any. And then I just came across them again, came across some a month ago or so. So I went back and put them in. So these clouds are like a 99-cent Sticko package, and which is the name of a sticker company. And then the blue is inking that I did, inking and sponging technique. Then I added in the little birds. The little birds I got from my mom. When she worked, she'd give them away to the kids and stuff. So 25 years ago, maybe, I'm not even sure. So I added in some boxes and some icons. Those came from Happy Planner. Okay, next page. Oh, this is when I went to Niagara Falls. So I used some scrapbook paper and wanted like a waterfall here, and that is what I came up with. Again, these drips and water splotches are Sticko, like 99-cent Sticko stickers. Then I pulled in, these are I can't remember what they're called, the stickers from Hobby Lobby. That's what's over here. This is more scrapbook paper. And yeah, so this is how I marked off my trip to Niagara Falls. So we went to Niagara Falls for the weekend, and then the following week we went to Toronto, and I never filled it out. So I have it all written down, what we did each day and where we went. The reason for the tulips is especially in Niagara Falls, the tulips are huge and gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Just loved it. So I still can go back and fill this out for my trip. I have it all written down in a little notebook that I carry. And the week we came back, never filled it out either. Had a couple things that I put in, but the rest didn't fill it out. Yeah. The sun is starting to invade into my corner here. I keep having to move over, but I want to get this done. Okay, so June. Beautiful, colorful flowers for June. I had to go bright and colorful. So again, trying to match the color of my divider, added in, very first thing I did was look for the biggest flower sticker I could find. And I found a couple of them, and this is the one I chose. And then I just added it in a couple spots to tie the two pages together. Went with colorful boxes, and I took a round wreath type sticker and I kind of cut it off and to put around the word June. Love this one. Love the colors. So pretty. Oh boy. Okay, so I remember this one. So I went a little crazy on this one. I had taken 11 seasonal and holiday sticker books from Happy Planner, and I put them all together into spring, summer, fall, and winter. And then I had a 5th book that had like birthday words and the words for all the holidays. And so I pulled out the summer book and yeah, just kind of went crazy. But you know what? I like these crazy ones every once in a while. Like, to me, this is so much fun. Like, I look at this and I just think, oh, this is fun. So much fun. And yeah, I have boxes that I never ended up filling out on this one either. You know what? When spring comes, you just want to be outside. So yeah. Oh yes, I remember it was getting really hot. Actually, our June was hotter than our July. And all I could think of was lemonade and iced tea. So I did a lemonade spread. Love it. And again, I wanted bright. So these yellow stickers are super bright. Then I just added in some blue and green, basically because of this towel or blanket or what cloth. We'll just call it a cloth. So I took the blue from this cloth and I added it in with the boxes. And then, of course, the greens from the leaves. Oh, I saw these stickers. These are in the Planny Thing, in a Planny Thing sticker book. And they, again, the butterflies, they remind me of my friend, but just floating and precious and beautiful, and the colors. Yeah, I felt really close to the ones that I had lost, because don't forget, Father's Day is coming up. So yeah, which takes me to Father's Day. So now this is a unique one because I did this for Father's Day. So it's kind of like 3 different spreads in one. So the Father's Day spread is the blue on each side. Then it's dedicated to my dad. So this is his flower gardens. He loved his flowers, and then he loved his vegetable gardens. And then everything written on here, which I'm kind of hiding, is words about my dad, feelings about my dad. Like, my dad was funny and he had a lot of inappropriate jokes coming, because he was 78 when he passed. So yeah, I had to remind him, Dad, you can't say those things anymore. Lots. So that's what I did. And again, this one was very therapeutic and helped me to get through that week. This one. So in the middle, Squad Girls. I just loved these little tubes, girls on the tubes. And I thought, floating in a river. So that's my idea, floating in a river. Now, when you originally saw me do this, it may look a little different now, because when I was editing, I went back. There was a lot about it I didn't like. It was too busy. And I kind of feel like it's still a little too busy. A couple things though. If you saw this video, I left my book out on the table and I had a cat throw up like right here. and I had a couple little blotches that I had to get a wet cloth and rub out, and so the paper's kind of ruined underneath these stickers here. So yeah, I had to add in those. So, but I went back and I'm pretty sure I took some stickers off and just rearranged a few things. Yay! Okay, so this is the last one for June. So June 26th to July 2nd. Well, July 1st in Canada, that's where I live, is Canada Day. So in the States, they have 4th of July. In Canada, we have Canada Day on July 1st. So what I wanted to do was mimic the Canada flag. So I went with like red stripes. These are all individual flowers that I pieced together there. And then, you know, a little bit of red in the middle and then the white. And I love it. Now the word day, so that I tried moving this day off to the sides, moving Canada over, Canada Day. I didn't like any of it. I wanted it right in the middle. And so I just split the A in half, and I don't care. I love it. I love this page. And yeah, that is it for our planner flip through. So that's April, May, and June. So please subscribe. As you can see, I do a lot of different things, a lot of different styles. I use a lot of different products and techniques. And hit the notification button so you know what is going on. And in July, I became an ambassador for Lisa Ravel stickers. So hit that notification button so you can see my hauls and see what I do with those stickers. She has stickers for every planner and every style. Vertical, horizontal, daily, weekly, monthly, all of it. And I have a 20% off code. Yes, I do. So I'll put that in the description for you guys. So thank you for joining me. Again, please subscribe, please hit like, and share with your friends. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a wonderful day.